So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be actually going to show you how you can create free 100% free RDP so you can complete your YouTube watch times. Okay guys, or you can use it to browse something or download movies, etc. But it will take you some time because every time you log out the RDP you have to create another RDP, but it's not so uh, complicated. It's very easy, so you can complete it in only few steps and in 5 minutes. Okay, so first type over here cloud. Okay, I will pin your the link of this Google Cloud Console in the description, so don't worry. So let it reload. Okay guys, let me show you my internet speed. Okay, sorry. Okay, so just let me show you my internet speed. Okay, it's 6 MB or 6.8 MB, 7 MB. Okay, so you have to click over this terminal option. Okay, just wait. Code for RDP, yes. Let it open guys. So this is the command. Okay, you can I will type this command in description so you can copy paste, or else you can type from here. Okay, sorry guys, there is an error. You don't have to type, you have to type colon over here. Okay, so because I have learned this command. Okay, so it's easy for me to remember. Just paste and enter, and it will start processing. Okay guys, don't have to worry. Okay, you can see my internet speed is 5.4 MB per second, and in RDP I will show you how much it gives our speed. La, 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 la. Just wait guys, so let it complete. Okay, so as it is completed now. Okay, it's completed. Okay, so just click over this web preview, and over here click on change port and type over here 6070, and then change preview. So when you will click this, it will redirect you to another page. Okay, and just wait guys, why is it taking too much time? I don't know. The fuck bro, why is it taking? Oh, it's actually, oh yes. So as you can see, it's connecting, and boom guys, you are in your own RDP. So from here, if you want to open browser, so just click over it. Okay, I want to open Firefox because it's my favorite. Oh, and you can also zoom your screen. Okay, so now let me just show you the internet speed. Okay guys, it's slow over here because of my internet connection. My connection is ridiculous guys, but don't worry, this RDP provides you a very good speed. So just type over here speed test. Okay, and over here let's go to Okla, and over here just click over go, and wait guys. So I don't know why it is not connecting, this piece of shit. Let me just open fast .com. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, speed, it's 540 MB per second, 570 MB per second, 630 MB per second. Guys, it's actually very decent speed if you want to do Google RDP, okay, or if you want to complete your watch times. As you can see, ping is also 6. And okay, so this was for today's video. I hope you like it, so subscribe for more amazing videos, and till then I will see you. Okay, bye bye guys.